Oh ho ho. Wow wow wow. Wow. Alright. Jadi tu sia male teacher pakat kan ni chuan nula pathum kan ni tiro pali kan ni chuan nu kan ni paruk nu kan ni okay pa kan ni lo tiro tang pa kan ni okay cái Sunday school training kan sama hao ka cho da hey sama pasal ini to em cái dia nei to ti mai om tak siapa kan ni rai ta kheng kheng hun le to kheng hun le to siapa kata kata kheng thelo ijir girdan jo kha teaching me to kha jo kha kheng ma wo ka dia ko ro ba ijir girdan kha ni lo ka new teaching me to kheng ngai okay all right นี่แหละ part 2 กันเองนะ part 2 กัน behavior problem และ misbehave ค่ะอันเรานะคะ introduction กันเตรียมมาจงจะกันเองต่อดูโจ detail เดี๋ยว behavior problem already part 2 okay part 2 so behavior management right so misbehave problem คือ rules และ consequence ทัดเดาเสียมนั่นเองกันเริ่มเทใช่ไหมโอเคมาเส behavior คืออะไรล่ะวะ behavior กันที่โจ behavior is a form of communication กันที่Apik takin naupang hian behavior hi ke mani zir tu le nu le pa tin he na hian min lo communicate na ani okay chuan behavior le he kan ngai tua na mind and behavior an in pe na information he mas bara eta hina luda tiro kaso kan heta lu akha eta hen kan lo feel ani tiro kan lo feel la heta kan feel kha kan action a hen lo kala kha head le heart and hand kha ain connect na kha aniนี่แหละ bad behavior กันที่อัน thought plus feeling equal to behavior right Sunday school เจ้านี่เรานู่นแหละป้าแต่พอเฮียนกันฟ้าที่ฮีa misbehave เงี้ย behavior problem เงี้ยดีค่ะกันเช็ดอภัยหมอตุกินจริงกันเสียงคัน misbehave อันนี้จวนก็คือสิการด่านและ consequence ถ้าเดาเสียมสักนั่นเองค่ะอาจจะตีรถเทียมาเส behavior ก็คืออันนี้เราค่ะ behavior ก็คือ thought right hey thought what thought do I have when I feel like thought จวน feeling จวน feeling ค่ะ behavior อันนี้โอเคนี่แหละ behavior จะ problem อันนี้ behavior problem จะคุยกันตั้งยังไงอาจารย์ดิจวน thought problem ให้กันไงตัวนะคะอดีตเรา thought problem right self criticismกัมโมเลตต์ right self criticism feeling ค่ะproblem right sadness anger จวน behavior problem crying eating causing distractions ค่ะ feeling I feel hungry กะริลตามยังไงก็ดีโจกะเค่ะกับ behavior อันนี้มาใช้กับ feeling ค่ะกะริลตามอันนี้ กตุยหา that's my feeling right ก็ตักซากันตุยอันหมอ right ข้าก็คลอกขันเป็นผิดแล้วนี่ hey you need some water right จนข้าก็ feel thirsty then I drink water I relate to it ก็ good behavior กันที่เจอ positive thought plus positive feeling equal to good behaviors good behavior กันดูจวนตัวนะคะ positive ภาษาอะไรอะ positive thought กันในจวน feeling ค่ะเรา positive บ้างอะค่ะอะไรชัวร์ good behavior กันเนี่ย negative behavior bad behavior ปวดจุดอย่างเท่า negative thought equal to negative feeling and bad behaviors okay นี่แหละCan I get 3 volunteers? Maybe like 3 of you, some 1, some 2, some 3. Just come on here, yeah. Ding mai eng ma ti tu rom lam, yeah. An ma he an pathum mi pakhat an ne. Na pang pakhat. Ani he thought ani thuak. So ani he angai to na a feeling ani. So ani he a behavior khani, action khani. Tero ka ina anu khan tu nau pang kha imola to ati right imola to te kha abenga tang alut to da alut atot khan a feeling kha information abe ani kha whisper ten imola to abenga lo ri bela yeah kha lo feel ta ni ka mol lang ki tu kan nu mol ti lom ka mol lom atia kaka a behavior ka lo develop come on tiro ka oka atia ka tia ka ani kan kamole tuk lo ti ta ni kaka behavior kan ni okay tu sell la ko bol le tu sell la ka okay ko ti la okay ka tok la ka ko tang ya tan di to have information tang ka imole tuk sell out. Oh, kaka Sunday school lo kal tanya, right? Kaya hey, imolo, kamole tuk tisu, titosu o, ka correct. Ma se eta anun kan ina lo tile tawa. Ka namol imole tuk. Kaya titosu imolo kamole tuk tito reng su. Oh, titosu reng oleh. Halo tidak, imola tuk. Say loud, really loud. The dosu kalau tika, ini le vai juan punishment ka petong je, ganti. Kan correction ka kan pal. He ama tak behavior tak ka low correct kan dua tero. He behavior so there is cause behind bad behavior. That is called the hidden message. A feeling ka, right? Ka a feeling ka kutangeron kal atot atanga local. So he behavior problem hi solution so kan du chuan kuitang kan tanang tot atang kan tanang. Kai ni kan behavior problem kan solve hian tot le feeling hi kan thai ngil thina. Ama chau ka punishment kan back thina. Behavior problem hi punishment back na awang hian athanam na omlo. Mitukin jing kan jin misbehave khacho apelo ani khacho caused by feeling and thought ani lo ani khacho caused by what environment caused by peer influence thian ta wang pon ni the right chon ke mane jir tir de po boundary thadap kan ne lo wa ga ni the kha thadap kan ne sak cha ani sa athale mai misbehave khacho ma se behavior khacho it goes deeper mo kha ani kha rem sak tur kan ni give them big and good job thank you guys thank you yeah all right so negative thought so challenging behavior share one challenging behavior you have observed in one Sunday school classroom ni la a Sunday school classroom ma kan behavior problem pakhat you observe ka mi lo jak sak the nge eng tin nge a om kaka misbehave nghe anh lâu lệ behavior problem nghe what kind of challenging behavior you have sama lili in classroom ha now pang nghe lulu de beng cheng de tu soi oi lo mem
ni kumakan ka tish
an min ka tu soi su anu de palang now pang lo ti mai ro okay mi eng angi nge a behave ka ni kum ai je tia khan okay
beginner ka zir na mo misbehavior ni ke
misbehavior okay
hawang hanin karon seven ka panu ko ta chenten an chutwan an tong tamta hawang hanin
chut na insan okay insan sak okay switch okay very good less problem okay ka so misbehave pang ani okay ni behavior challenging behavior not listening they want to listen but attention ka an petela right talking back talking back right ina anu le apa talk back chon sikula po talk back ang chon right talking back John, like a motivation, right? And pull right? Pull John, use a foreign language. In classroom, F word mang katang te mo, B word tang te, right? A word tang te. So ka class yan, cursing, right? Cursing, F word, B word tiang te ka John. Direct fucking $20 deduction kape hefud apoy na chu in ha khan naw pang 10 khat chu hefud te all samlat takin an panga kaka anu lan pa an lo ra to lo tio kaka an lo they have bad habit an lo used to ta kaka classroom ma den lo phang tin hata pakhat ka soyang ve khat zo Mizo biak ina khan ka thien pa kha lo khom bia ka ta khan ka training a khan lan pa he zo faket om ro se ka dia ka thien pa kha Pastor Piang you just ask the word in the church you just ask the word you said fuck just ask what me there hey bro don't worry that's Burmese fuck, not American fuck. Burmese Mizo fuck is good, but American fuck is bad. Burmese fuck so pay lo good it kind of encouragement good okay. But it's a Burmese fuck and American fuck hello. Okay, for language. Okay, interrupting other people, right? Can behavior. They're always late, coming late, right? They never be on time. Okay? Sleeping in the class. Are you sleepy? Are you sleepy?
No.
Mit moody mi ka sleepy ka. In mut chok em, kan chok lo dio. In mut chok em. A chok chang coffee in okay, coffee ka okay, it's okay. Ka behavior, fighting. Kapting song ka challenging behavior, classroom challenging behavior ni ka, right? Whining, always complaining, right? These are challenging behaviors. Bullying. Make sure your classroom is no bullying zone. Bullying, right? Okay. Anile. Can do to self-control, right? Respect, classroom. This is what we want. Self-control, self-confidence, respect, honesty, interest in learning, courage, responsibility. But many times, that's not what we get, right? We get something we don't want. Talking back, listening, cheating, fighting, lying, whining, and media addictions, and the cousin, and the lack of motivation. So what are we going to do? We don't get what we want, but we got what we do not want in the classroom. So there, remember, there, repeat after me, there will be always a challenging behavior in your classroom. Can you tell your partner in your classroom? So you better learn how to manage behavior problem because there will be always challenging behaviors. Okay, so behavior is cause. Behavior is cause. Behavior kan tiso a behavior ka a chok tertu om, right? A cause om. Okay, for example, this chair move. Why? Kaya ma ni ka cause ani, right? So ka move tiro ni. The hidden message to kay ma ka ni. I'm the one who caused to move, to make noise. But the behavior is the moving and the noise is the behavior. So I need to find out the hidden message behind that noise, that bad behaviors. Do not simply jump to the conclusion and blame the behaviors. It's related to oil. That's not enough. Why he is not too oil? What is there behind, right? What caused him to fall asleep? For example, napampat ka amudro. Don't sleep. Mut not to anilo. Di may ka tell. Oh, why? And banging ka classroom amuhil. Maybe of course ni zara ka amuhil telo teniem. Azam lo teniem. Ni zara te game akhel tam le tuk teniem. Kaka akos lo ni thei tro. Kaka kan zong tur ka kan ha ani. Kaka zon ka teacher na ni. So misbehavior can be caused by what happens in the classroom and by what teacher do and the kind of misbehavior, right? Okay, now behavior problem management with rules and consequence. Consequence kan pek anga athe mitina tukin zinga kan zerka misbehave ani. So misbehave to caused by the environments, caused by peer influence, caused by what the teacher do and what the teacher not do, right? So consequence. Okay, rule and regulation. Tukin zinga mika. Rule aom vela consequence po aomanga. Rule ka kudziak lian daun iziak sakanga. Itaranga abula ka. Rule number 1 and it's on consequence number 1 ka itar beng halang. Kay ni to rule chak ka kantara consequence ka huktur om tolo. So bang son rule apat ni in hiti hen kaziak nga mun kada kalau tarang. A rule tur ka so assistant teacher in a jon nangma assistant teacher ne ka in soi ho masanga kaka chat inti rule panga ka ikan to iklasa kan ikenga inaw pang ho nen ka in soi ho ang, right? Kol tong na ajian ka nangma ni ka siya mga kan chaw kan ilaw chaw kay lian. Okay, kaka rule siam ho na naw pang ho nen. Okay, kaka karu word ne. Every rule has consequence. Every rule has consequence. We don't have time, but I want you to create your own rules. Maybe tonight. You may start tomorrow, right? A rule to be simple, clear, doable, enforceable. Kaka sisera jon consequence po. Consequence impact kunakan. Make sure USA times child safety policy nen jong ka inmil turin. Chuang chuan ke punishment kan be kuna corporal punishment, physical punishment te ka pek athelawa. Physical punishment kan ti chu kan deng tang te mo ka physical punishment, right? Ka ta ka athelo. Okay. Ni la ka rule ja. Ke ka rule, right? Let's see this one. Okay. A rule. Rules, consequence. Ten ka chu rule chau an ne consequence ni to lo. อัน classroom อะค่ะ classroom management ก็จะตีระก็การนักตัวกับ practical in ที่โดนเนี่ยก็จะนักตัวกับ surprise checking ค่ะอัน classroom อะคันกระลุนก็จะ check surprise ก็เสียม checking ก็เสียมอันนี้ okay alright so two kind of consequences ค่ะ positive consequences กันที่จะ reward กันแบก consequence ที่ negative จับนี่เรา positive consequence ผมจน negative consequence นี่เราเลย punishment มาเส punishment ที่ไอ้ negative consequence ที่กระดูกโจpunishment จู Sunday school เลย classroom มาจนปังเราสละดูแลนู่นละป้าจนอินะมันพอเห็นไปแล้วนี่แหละ understand choice and consequences right so consequences are not punishment they are simply what happens when the person does something อังคงขันนี่ไหมหนังมาเป๊กพวกนี่เราอันมาเลยอันมาไอ้เป๊กอันนี้อันมานี่ทันอันนี้ค่ะโอเคจะพัดมาเส behavior problem or the punishment doesn't work punishment doesn't improve behavior means behavior ครับ punishment กันเป๊กหน้าวางเฮียนอัตเลยเราbehavior punishment may work as a last option นู่นแหละปาเลตานอินะจนอินดูแล punishment ค่ะ first option อะนี่เรา last option อะอินดูแลอินฟังเทมาเส first option จนนิสุเสโม punishment I in อัตโจกอดังto a positive consequence punishment can be again the costs are greater than the benefit punishment อีเปกะa benefit to เวไม่เทมาเสค่ะ benefit I in the cost ค่ะอเลียนจอก for example อินะนาวปังค่ะอันนี้ดุงในใหญ่ละลูกคอมเลยมอลินอีวัวจะรอมี behavior บางกันมอลินอีวัววางเฮียนฉันน่าจะอมเวทเขา right มาเสเก็บมอลินอีวัววางimpact อันหงนะคะกันพูดให้ต่อเราข้านาวปังอินวัวนาวปังค่ะสกุลาหมอเราก็ละสันเดสกุลาเราก็ละมีดังเฮียนอามาอัติทินริมหัวน่ะอันนู้ขันอัดจงอัดทินริมหัวน่ะพันธุ์ส่วนอเปกดัดอังเจกันมีดังข้ากุลทักเวข้างข้าimpact effect อันนี้ฉันน่าจะเต็มแต่อมเวทเอาค่ะกี่จน3 hours for punishment ก็จะประคัดนักโจค่ะ3 hours แล้ว punishment เปียกจน number 1 rebellious มั้งกุมสมปนิตินพาดาวปัง middle school junior elementary เวลอันไกลไล่นู่นเลยป่ะมีจินตนาการที่ฟุ้งอะไรหมดละวกนาวปังติเคโมhigh school นั่นจบเวล number 1เห็นพงอันนั้นนะ rebellious number 2 what is that revenge เคลียร์ซาจินะเคลียร์ซาประคัดนู้จะกุมสอมสตรีทเลยกุมสอมปัสตรีทเวลเจ้าวันนี้จู่ๆสเปนิชปาเนี่ยง่ายจ้ะอันนู้จะอารมณ์ระเทยอะไรรู้นะเลยตัวข้าสับเพียงก้าฟันนูฮีมินคองโซลินมินเสียมสักเตะก็เดี๋ยวฟันนูจะก็จะว่านูเตะอีอมเลยตัวไฮสคูลไปอีละเจ้าเลยติงข้าเตะอีอมไม่ฟันนูเสียบ้าลุงระเทยเลยสุก็ได้ง่ายจ้องตักโลเฮสเปนิสปาเนี่ยกันนูเห็นกันน้าปังไลก็เราสติกเลยตัวก็มินฟุตามเลยตัวก็กันนูก็รุนน่ารอเสติก็ดูวางเงินก็เราคงเดี๋ยวไม่นี่ค่ะที่ค่ะ revenge จะช่วย right น้าปังไลจะโอ้ยตักอ่างนานพอลกว่าพอสองเวกเวเลย revenge จะว่าจะ punishment กันดีที่ short time solution นะสิอันนี้ long time มาตาอันนี้เรา right short time number 3 low self esteem low self esteem มาแล้วแบบ confident อันนี้เราเวเลยประคัดป้าค่ะอักกูด่าคันเจมอัมหัวอันเราเจมอันเราหนีเวไม่แบบคนอัดเจมคันนี่ค่ะคิมินชุนัง right อามาแล้วมา defend ด้วยนั่นละอัดเจมคันลักษักขัดยังเด right cause low self confident น้าปังอัดถอยอักกูด่าค่ะอัดถอยค่ะเราเก่งอ่ะ thiền nu phật lo thiền nu lak sak po tum ka thoi alak sak ang self confident ne lawa thiền nu ka thoi alak sak ma thiền nu ka avo khatang te mo ka example ani lo self esteem okay low self esteem 3 punishment so do not argue a student ne ka tong nil so i level ani law don't kan father nu pa pon kan father ne tong nil tu ne level ani law kan level ani law right do not argue don't in nil tu in law do not yell do not scream do not raise your voice hey to as a teacher kan practice angai cái này kan he kan dependent to kan right kan when we raise our voice we thought that our voice become more powerful that's wrong if power ka volume tam le toma a lo ai ngat lo wa a soi tu nang ma kha ai nat ka amen school principal position kai tur te kha training an betin seminar training do na school principal te kamo chong siama ji te kha an training akan pakhat na kha voice training an pe voice kha calm and assertive voice kha training kha an betina jujo calm and slow chuwang chon sikula now pang thuoi lo kha an teacher te kha principal office an thontin an thona principal office alut ve le principal nu kha enga ting e teacher thuoi lo ha enga ting ai lo ating ai lo kol chong chang khat ti tin kha please don't repeat that I will not tolerate if you repeat one more time sounds good Katan ka an hilani an ha ki ta volume an da lawa right volume temperature tak so I ha a volume at len tel power tamzo so don't yell at them no scream just respond calmly every time because you choose to break the rules. That's it. Because you choose to break the rules. Itanalong. It's you that ka rule number 2 ka itileto ka rule number 2. You broke rule number 2. The consequence. Go there and sit at Judas Iscariot chair for 3 minutes. Please go there. That's it. Ka rule. The consequence ka beg dan so right? So 3 ways to get students to follow instruction. Rule kan siam sak te kha eng ting e zui thine tan number 1 clear instruction. What's my rule number 1? Okay, rule number 1
follow direction quickly.
Rule number 2
Raise your hands for speak.
permission to speak. Rule number 3
Raise your hands
for permission to leave your seat. Rule number 4
make smart choices.
Rule number 5 make your teacher happy. All right, before you forgot, okay, 1, 2, 3. Ear,
Listen. Eyes look. Mouth closed. Hands still. Feet quiet.
all right, very good. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Eyes on me.
Eyes on you.
1, 2, 3. Eyes on you. One more time. 1, 2, 3. Eyes on me.
Eyes on you.
1, 2, 3, 4.
We want to learn more.
All right. I want to teach you more too. Okay, let's go now. So ask students to confirm that they have heard the instruction. Rule number 3. What's rule number 3? Raise your hand for permission to leave your seat. Did you hear it?
Yeah.
If you really hear it and understood, show me thumbs up. Right? So I want to make sure that they understood. So I asked them to show their thumbs up. Right? This one. Right? And number 3, give them a reason. You need to raise your hand before you speak so that I can hear from you. So that all of you want to speak. If you speak at one time, it will be very confusing, right? But if you raise your hand, I'll let you speak first, and then and you, and then you. Then everybody will get a chance to speak. So, do you think it's a good idea to raise your hand if you want to say something, right? So I give them a reason, right? Also reason. Reason. Okay. Reinforcement positive behavior. Use praise, reward, recognitions to encourage good behavior. Okay, praise. Use specific praise. I really like your handwriting. Oh, I like that you take notes, like specific praise. Okay, good job. Not specific praise. A specific praise, right? Use encouragement more than criticisms. Constructive criticism book and more of it, right? Behavior correction done. Masse kaaya and more also encouragement and a big again behavior problem. Behavior problem here and more so punishment. Anilo punishment I hear encouragement ka and more so. Give specific constructive feedback. Feedback here a boy more. If you ask them something, right? Okay, pay attention, right? Pay attention, guy. Attention, ka. Pay idua attention in ipe anpe ja. Anpe juan itile to feedback kane. Guy, thank you for paying attention. Oh, got expectation for them to obey my 5 rules and they make me happy. That's my expectation. At the end of the class, right? They follow the 5 rules, then they make me happy. So, oh guys, thank you for making me happy. No one breaks the rule today. Good job. I am so happy, right? So, feedback. Feedback. Why could experiment and see ma? Now pang pakat ka lung chapter lung ka. Chapter nomi, right? Kaka lung som pani lung te som ni the panga abula da ka throw it on the field. Achapa. Lung avom. Avoma voi ni avom du le tolo. John lung ka an lak saga ton small leg ka nge deal pula ka da ka deal chonga lo vom ro le adia thak avoma tui kha lo cheta ni pa right avom le ka tui jet ka now pangatan reaction ani now pang anitan ka feedback mangani kha mukha nuam atia lung som ni le panga khan avom zo vek ti khani engwang nge avoi khana chu avoi ni na avom tu to lawa deal bula deal chonga chun voi som ni na voi nga thang avom theina engwang nge reaction heta chun reaction ka omlo reaction ka ni feedback now pang motivation na atana ataper jo feedback reaction ka ani reaction ka ni e class chunga thiltha an ti imu chuan kha kan soi angai oh tadau in antua ka thu soi an ngai thak ti ka mu chuan I have to say something, right? Say something, guys. Thank you for paying attention. Oh, Lily. Oh, nu te. Chattawa minute som Lily pa. Oh, minute som ni chung itu dia. Thank you. Thank you for your patience. Oh, kata give specific. Acknowledge effort, not just the result. Not the result. Effort ka apa yang maksud. Kaya classroom here certificate tang te reward te ka petina. Ka reward tam bala certificate ka pektin tam berju the best improvement student award. Atiam bel kan dilau. Mo, I improve bel. Ani katna tang nisari chunga an dan ka ke ena ani katna kan tuoi lo ka ni na cha zia ni tum ni lin ni nga na chon at to le to ka now pang ka improvement reward ka pe fair ringot ka ni lo chon presentation and memory verse presentation and cheera and memorize na pang ten ka cho IQ to the na pang cho minute pathuma an lo memorize mai ma se IQ ka in ang lo right low IQ now pang ten khat le visual learning le audio learning tan chuan minute panga po memorize ta hun an mai the ma se presentation an siam huna ting pan ka pek ti chon ka ka en chu an memorize lo iron an zuo an effort lo oh ka en tina ka chon presentation zo huna kan ka ti guys I'm going to give you 9 out of 10 not because of your performance but I'll give you 9 out of 10 because your effort. So in Mr. Piang class, you don't have to be genius. Give me your best. Try your best. Kakatitin. Ka effort kani kadu. Effort, right? Ka effort. Ka always acknowledge their effort, not the result, right? Now, they try their best, but still not perfect, right? So I have to acknowledge, right? Okay, now rewards. Reward pay pakat na cho non-material reward, right? Tangible reward, kato atak certificate tang tede. The non-material reward is just verbal reward. Okay, kanile. Hey classroom an reward man hey 1 minute video clip kalau show so oh. Ani hey classroom akan ang lau ticket anne. To ticket to 50 point, 100 point, 200 point, yang ticket kan ni. Kaka he gave them based on their behavior. Tuan kaso huna ka store anne, door anne, store snack store anne. Kakan an ticket point nen ka kaka late ni. Chip to kat ka 200 point vela ni. Oh, ka point nen ka. And classroom snack day ka late na. Okay.
That's why we have to do with the traditional. Oh, so this is a way of days. And this is the classroom and this is the this is free. Yeah. And this is not free. Oh, okay. If you want this, you have to earn points. Okay. And then with the class point, let's say this is 50 point. Then if you have 50 point, you can buy it. So, for example, okay, this is the point. The point, okay. So point here. So 500 points. Yes. What can they buy with this 500 points? That's the most points. So let's say Bodang is very. Okay. The most expensive one, right? So yeah, you can buy. It costs 500 points. Wow. Or chocolate. Okay. So this are the designated drawer in the student. So this is the material and then resource that we provide for the student. And this one is for student of the month. Okay. And one is for most improved student. Oh. So so we'll post it somewhere. Okay. Okay. And yeah, this is because I okay. They're not free. Yeah. Okay. Oh, one more thing. Okay. This is
so behavioral problem cho control take lo it control take lo ti kha lo thero cho wang chuan it ti tur zok cho encouragement reward motivate kaka behavior problem tan kan ti thei okay recognition right verbal appreciation certificates cho leadership certificate pe ka siama kum khana voi khat right chuan the best improved students yang te chuan effort right for example ka point ka let's see points is simple in numbers right point kan ti cho number kan ni mai ka 200 point ka ping two the kids right they are so excited and happy for me 200 points is the number right but that helped controlling my class right ka point on te my assistant teachers.
So team creation earns 31. Next, what team? They're in second place as of right now. Let's see if they finally took the first place. All right, let's see.
Let's open team celebration first.
Okay, kaka reward. Okay, consequence, step by step consequence. So consequence has to be logical. Do pek ka thelo. Consequence ka logical. Angai? Logical kan ticho ka fanun remote control ka. He threw away, right? What would be the logical consequence? Put it back. Put it back. Right? Logical consequence. Consequence must be delivered with cares and keep you cool when you give consequence. Consequence kan pek ko na kan tin rim lo tur ka. Kani consequence pek ma hian keima ni kan check masa angai kan tin unna level ka. Ke jo kan tin unna level ka. Som nga chung ani chuan that's not the right time. Cool down. Play ma zong khak ro 18 unna ka alo taleng, right? Kaka kun tha ani lo kan fa te kan jot kuna pon se Sunday school na pang consequence kan pek kuna pon se cool your temperatures. Okay, the fourth step of consequence bakatna warning panina that's my consequence antutna kan sun apatumna time out ni lo le activities ate until thelo. So step 4 parent context kaka step 4 consequence. Okay, let's read together step 4 consequence. Step 1
Warning.
step 2
See change.
step 3
Time out.
step 4.
Parent contact.
Okay, very good. Start now. The difference between misbehavior and behavior problem. So misbehavior can be so occasional, situational aniyan. Ani so chang saba. John situational anti so achini bo mamudi le. No sama ya achini bo mamudi le. Achini environment so ai han. Okay, number 2, usually a choice made by the student. An kanani ka behavior ka. They behave to interrupt other people. No? Tuwai lo to ka an kanani. John misbehavior can be influenced by mood. Kan mood he atat hun po ma chat lo hun po ma thau tha le thau thalo po nei kha inside, right? John peer pressure. An Thian de influence na, right? Ka bang po kan misbehavior te. John improve with rules and consequence. An Mizo rules le consequence. Ne na. Deal te improve te. Kaka ani. Okay. John part of formal child development. Now pangkan teacher, they are kids, right? Yeah. Don't expect them to behave, everything in the class. Beng cheng to now, beng cheng su now beng cheng su the detail in them, right? And beng cheng sa dan may ma say classroom beng cheng na turmun anilaw, right? Now bang tong tam chi now bang he an oma to verbal lan and tiang te chuan now bang extrovert now bang teng le an tong the le tu an ni ka ma se kha teng tong tam le tu now bang ka tong tam su bi the le ne an tong tam ka an ma ni zia ni to ma se bi ka tong na tur mun an ni lau ka jir tir dan ha na ni ya tong tam su ti le ngot ka it against your nature tong ta fear lau ma se hey Sunday school asun tong na tur mun an ni lau khati kha ta okay ka child development okay ka John behavior problem in behavior to pakat na repeated and product over time. And they repeat again and again and again, right? Not only today, not only Saturday, but every Sunday. Every Sunday. Apa ni na psychological and environmental factors. Psychological factors. Number 2, for psychological factor kan teacher ka anu kan nang chu she cannot sit quietly. Ai to my tailor. Atisia kaka a psychological effect factor. Ka to my tailor. Kan psycho ni. Right? John not corrected through punishment. An ni to punishment ni na. Kan zirtir tailor. Kan correct tailor. Ka punishment iman chuan correction will become corruptions. That connection without connections destroy the teacher-student relationship. If you want to connect, make sure that you have connection. Repeat after me. Connection comes before correction. Amha piu pinya me, tapi amha me piu ping kim ha balaya male connection alinya layan me. Lalu luraya connection, luraya correct luru miyabu. You have to have good connection. That's why it's really important to have a student-teacher's relationship. It requires support and interventions. Okay, so key understanding of Sunday school, understanding number 1. Misbehavior is something a student does. A behavior problem is something a student is struggling with. They're struggling with they want to behave like other kids, right? But they are simply not able. And they are struggling. For example, ka class ka pakat pa ka at tumay telaw ani ka. Ani ka tumay telaw ka avako. Peter, vak su itin na churo ka tusay tadaw ngairo. Katia, Mr. Piang, this is how I learn. Dia avak. Tumay telaw ni taba. Ni thum ro hona kan exam ka siya jo avak Peter ka achiam dal man tam dal lo mo. Achan ja ni ka kinesthetic learner ni ja. 정말 맞아요. 아차저니까 ADHD, right? Hyperactivity 아니죠. 정말 맞아요. So he learns as he moves, right? So I have to teach them as he moves, bodily movement. 그때 가능 막한 자작 출력 디테일로 이디 둘주 thật atu thầy lâu vàng khian as he walk ava angin itinga ka jir tirang ti jir tir dan jok kha jir chok tur kha jir tir tu te kan ha ani control the kha control the lo kha jo control lo dum so. Okay, behavior problem in the classroom. Number one, withdrawn behaviors. We call it shyness, right? Making repetitive movement, right? Repetitive movement. Hippo repetition movement is it? Not the ring, right? You know that the ring, right? Question can solve here. Hippo ka. Okay. Disruptive behavior. Act out, right? Yelling, disruptive. Then behavior patumna, violent, unsafe behavior, hitting, kicking, biting, cutting ka. Hello? Ka behavior. Apalina, inappropriate social behavior, right? Ka pali ka. Sunday school classroom chunga kan mutin behavior problem to ani le kan na jo understanding underlying causes a cause ka identify the hidden message behind the misbehavior. Every behavior problem, misbehavior or behavior problem they have, there is a hidden message. Identify the underlying causes of disruptive behaviors. Why? He's late again. Anything ikay siya. Di may te anilaw, right? Ikay, consider. Kain, identify the message. But then I know you're late, and can I talk to you maybe like a minute after the class? Can you tell me why? What happened? Or anula pa then anta man lo po ni maite, right? Or traffic van po ni maite, right? Kan ha jo a hidden message behind that behavior. Ka riet tu zon chok tu ka ane. Ani ne behavior problem dong he a cause tang pun pali antia. A classroom a behavior problem ka he pali chunga tangin a cause pakat katso ani himang. Number one cause pakat na jo biophysical factors kan di. Medical conditions, right? Medical condition. Resell low na vanga. But ni mai thế? Apa ni na jo psychological factors. Depression, maybe emotional, riru lama dam lo vang po. Ani thầy thấu. Maybe like 13 years old kids. He always a grumpy face. All the time, grumpy face. I have never seen him smile. Never produce a smiling face. I thought it's like her kind of personality. But one day, I asked her, and she told me that she got every night, she got a threatening message from her neighbors. And that neighbor, the guy, send him like dirty pictures every night. And her mom was sick and sick. And so that guy threatened her every night. And sometimes she had like a nightmare, and whenever she think about him, and she said she feels sad. She feels sad. So something like that, right? Emotional. Kat punishment besela. Amma as well. John Amma le kema inkara teacher-student relationship ka achia. And angklo ka zirtina ka tama sala. Arilwa alutay to don lo. Because I don't understand him, right? Ka. Pwede mo ulit behavior problem. Kaya behavior social factors, poor parenting. Ina nule pa azir tirdan avang po. Classroom ka angong te ane. Ina nule pa dan muma anelo du om. Kati anga salient naupang ka. Azong sanga. Kaka classroom ka behavior ka lo repeat kanimay. Poor parenting, right? Behavioral problem he deal na tan solution na tan nu le pa le zirtir tu de kan thok ho angai zirtir tu chat chen kan ti thelo nu le pa de ne. Okay, apalina on historical community factors, right? Past difficult experiences with schools can influence behaviors. Sikula bully de atok punimaite, right? Past experience, kapokan, Sunday school kan chung now bang pakada behave ka along hong tene affected. Ka nile ikan chung now bang behavior ka. Long ay to chente. Eng wang garin nge anyang ti ngay. Historical factor nge anyang, behavior social problem nge anyang, psychological nge anyang, nilaw le biophysical nge anyang. Number 1, find out the problem before you deal with the problem. Okay? Ka pakat na diagnose anat na ka diagnose angay, right? Kahit masat angay before I give them medicine. Kau tunjuk apa lihat dan pakat kan saya dengar itu kati om nakha nula ba ina parenting ba kati om nakha sekolah bullying ba kati om nakha emotional ba, right? Kati angka kan saya masa ngaya. Okay, kah kan dia hundak kah kan saya terus kah. So environmentals, right? Environmental problem. Factors ka nila. Behavior is not a person.
So good.
Behavior is not a person. A person le le a behavior ka you have to differentiate. Kay dang lammi. Kani kay dang lam ay. Akhirang nu pakachan afanu ka mun phiat atira mun phiat amun phiat ka a fel lo ni a fai tok lo tiro a fai tok lo ka behavior ni a fai tok lo ni cho anything at yang ba phiat le ro, right? A phiat le ro ti phiat le ro phiat nan ro a fai tok lo. Masa ka anu kan a person la a mi ring le a behavior ka a zo je a behavior ka rem a tum lo a mun pia a fai tok lo ve a mun pia a fai tok lo anu a fan do ka chok loin haku in ti be thơ email chia I haku ne mail chia haku le mun pia fai lo ka ma sai lo, right? A sai lo a phe chia cho nu le pa kai ma ri ai chen niang chu original a that lo chen mit tu chu eng ti copy chen ti a that thei nang ti lo nu le pa chen ka chu copy cha tak tak kan dua original cha that lo chen copy cho that thei lo cho ba behavior ka person ani lo ba de phiat le ro i mun phiat a fai tok lo that's a behavior ti mai to okay a person can't alone. There is always a reason behind that behavior we see. Now, classroom ilu fail behavior problem, misbehave in one, right? Imu fail nama pakat na jan ingat tu so a reason behind. Anh vangin nghe, khá ít chuan solution in một thế ít sao mà lý do cái tiền nu này ăn chút cho ăn trong tâm chứ thì khá ít anh này tiền nu này mình cần chút mày that's solution right okay that don't get angry that misbehavior is not personal cái này chân cái mà này in cái này club mà phong thì là mày chia cái này vang sao mà cái này vang mình giả lâu right sao trong cái chiếm lâu vang mình giả no it's not about you nang ma vang ani lâu so misbehavior is not personal okay so problem kids with kids problem problem kid thì ông thầy lâu mà sẽ kids with problem cho nó này problem kid căng thì cho cả ngáo bằng problem kid right problem ang akan mo ngáo bằng sốt suol cái chân cái thiên chân náo bằng sốt suol ở ông thầy lâu náo bằng in diệt tiệt na dik lâu diệt tiệt bằng náo bằng cho ông thầy cái gì náo bằng diệt tiệt thầy lâu náo bằng ở ông lâu diệt tiệt đan teaching method đăng làm được vắt mình ngay náo bằng cho ông cả so imply the behavior is part of who they are các problem cho này mình chỉ cần tiệt cái hay cả lui cả top này chân ăn mặn này khát tăng cha ai ngay cả náo bằng bạc ni khara void ni chu cả náo bằng bạc anh tiếng đi cả lazy cả anh mà thọc phải lo cả thắt chia này ít thắt chia là tốt you will never become a person cái tiếng gì ngã bốc cái tiếng ra bốc cái tiếng khả năng bằng khả after 6 months thảo nữa a behavior adang phim he will behave like he's lazy and he will never become a person kakak ni kakak ang hong na effect an na leto right so na bang pakati imole to kan ti mai de alaw leto we ka chu Arkansas la kan na bang nu pakate ka a step dad nen kha a oma kha a step dad khan kha anu we fanu de kha aming por a ko du lo na bang kum li nu de kha right a ko du lo ni na khan stupid de khan mai molly stupid atire chon kum nga kan school culture screening kan siam screening interview kan tiro screening interview what's your name antia stupid Mizo dong stupid kan tiếng cho right stupid an hlawa khata khan ka tir to te khan 911 anawa ka an background kan jung do ya kha direct pakin chu a step dad kha an lo man ani kum chung a step dad kan stupid anti renga amma lama po ka abing tak ka alo te ngila amma le amma ka si thought she's really stupid. Kakani. Now we can easily destroy. The same time we can easily build them up with your words. Itong kam niyan ka. Olasam takin ariru ka iti chete. Ka tiang bokan itong kam niyan ka. Olasam takin you can build them up. Your words is very, very powerful as parents, right? Kan tong kam ka apoy mo ito. Okay, so feeling judgments and fix. Okay, now problem kids. He is a problem kid. Something is wrong with him. Kids with problem. Separate a child from the behavior, right? This is the behavior, this is the child. Guys, you are a good person, but sometimes I don't like your behaviors, like undesirable behaviors. I cannot accept that behavior. Kai behaviors atalo more. That's not good. Your behavior, right? You kick, you do like this. That's not good, right? The behavior, it's not acceptable in my class. But you are a good person. You are created in God's image. You're awesome. You're loved by God. You're loved by your parents. But the behaviors, God loves you, but God doesn't like that behaviors, that bad habits. Kay nang tro ka separate a behavior le ama ka they separate behaviors. The child is struggling with something. Okay, feel compassionate. Encourage support and understanding. And this support kan more. Okay, so kids with problems, something is happening to him. Problem kid kan something is wrong with him. Do you see the difference? Something is wrong with him. But here, no, something's not with him, but something is happening. What is happening to that kid? What is happening to him? Kids, problem kid ka, minsan kan saya kan, tuoi lo nu, mimol nu, you cannot sit quietly ka. Itu my tailor, right? Thian akan tiji and kaka became identity. So we face a lot of identity crisis, especially for the second generations. Last summer, my topic was true identity. Your identity, right? Can identity. I'm not good enough. I'm not perfect. Right? I'm not smart enough. Kaka false identity. So what's your true identity? False identity to Satan in a tangalo kalania. True identity to Thian. True teacher bokhan kan and true identity back to kan khani. Right? False identity kanilo. True identity. Kejo kema katitin le Sunday school katitin jo ka anreru lam ka support na kape ka I am awesome. Repeat after me. I am awesome. Right? I am smart. I am smart. I am love. I am love. Because I am created in the image of God. Kakakatisak zia. Then envision the kazoda. What you want to be when you grow up? I want to be an engineer. I want to be a scientist. I want to be a professor. I want to be a doctor, right? And tona. This is my prayer that you guys become the person that God intended you to become when you grow up. Kaka, ke kolon kapung doing it, right? Modeling. Seeing a kid with a problem invite curiosity. What is going on, right? What do they need? What's going on? Chẳng vui nào. Cái này là chẳng vui nào. Okay, solution นี่แหละค่ะ focus on problem rather than behavior. อะไรต่อก็กันclass ก็ class heyเองก็จะอันนี้เอาไหม you guys feel bored อีกครั้งจริงไงกันฮะ in ning to em one more time in ning to em tak mo อันนี้แหละกันเปียงอันนี้แหละกันสมองโอเค alright กับเขาเทียบต่อโอเคโอเคครับนี่แหละก็ focus on problem rather than a behavior, right? Now solve the problem collaboratively. I always ask the kid, he misbehave, right? Các class ya thật đâu ít chút thế đó ta anh tin nghe các quý ăn chết cái này. Because I don't have the solution. He has the solution. Solution cái mà ôm lâu âm mà ôm. Các chân quý ngay support ngay. Các bà game hit các đủ iron game kia rồi à. Hun hit 2 hours ก็เปค่ะเค extra 1 hour เคเสียก็ control เทเราก็เสียมาและมา control เทอันเห็นกับกระปะเทไม่ปุ๋ยหรอก I want you to play only 2 hours right so what can I do for you to help you play only 2 hours อามาฮักกะซอนจน exam คันอันนู้คัน B มุขะอัดดูเราอันนี้จะเกี่ยวกับ B ไปกันที่วักเราก็สกัดละกายไล่ต่อกัน B กับหมุนเต็มแล้วI don't really care B right I got like B plus something like that อันนู้นจะนี่จะ A list อันนี้นี่จะ din list A จะเอาหัวอัฟปะ A อัฟหัวเราจะนี่จะลงไว้เราไว้กับจะ B ปัญญาหัวอันนู้นจะ how เกี่ยวกับปุ่นละกันปะเต้ข้า lunch กันเลยสักข้าhis favorite food right จนข้าเองฮะก็ต้องได้แค่สวยตัวไปหมดแล้วกันในใจกันเดียวเฮ้ยอี exam มาคัน A ตั้มyou got a lot of A right อีโมวางเฮียนก็ celebrate อันนี้ก็ลงไปใจจนอัปนี้นะเห็น B เฮ้ยไอตั้มเห็น next exam มาค่ะอีโมเทน่าดูเรื่องแค่ encouragement อันนี้กันเดียวก็ต้องได้สักอับหูเทนตานอามาจงอาตำจงเองหัน right so what can I do for you so a good father but I want to be a better father every day a better dad for my kids for my wife a good husband so every year I ask my wife what can I do for you for me to become a better husband right ก็ฟาดในกันเลยป้าชาสีก็ดูอาฟังกิมป้าจุกันอมเทลมาสิป้าชาสีอีตานป้าชากันนี่ที่ได้ตุรินเองตินเงเขาอมังค่ะอันนี้นะ solution เอา so ask the kids ask them if you want to be a better teacher effective teacher learn from students in zot ngai in student de in napong de ka hey I want to be a better teacher. This year 2026, right? What can I do, right? To be a better teacher for you guys. Okay? Okay? Prompt proactively, not reactively. Proactive. solution. Okay, นี่แหละ think about the problem, right? ก็ possible to think about it ค่าช่วงค่ะ maybe simply they now ปัง misbehave อมจวน they want your attention. Every kid wants their teacher's attention. Past treatment maybe and boring บางปนนี่เท่ right? Okay, เฮ้ยก็สกิปnga เฮ้ยลองอันสักเราค่ะ เฮ้ย behavior นี่ all this อิมุดมีแต่หุเทเรา a cause อันนี้การนี่แหละ what is the cause โอเคกันจงหัวมั้งครับ cause okay so children behavior is an attempt to express and process all that is going on beneath the surface right they have to express so they try to express their feeling ค่ะจริงๆiceberg ค่ะ okay ให้เตรียมซองกันสกิปngaให้อีจอดนะฮิ okay so behavior management to look at it for what it is number one to name it for example now pang anger issue อันนี้ right กับป้าปฏิใน anger issue อันนี้anger ค่ะ misbehave อันนี้แล้ว behavior problem อันนี้ค่ะอามามีเดีย anger issue อันนี้ครับ right so ประคันนักที่จะ to name it กันเนี่ย oh ปาเต้อิทินริมอันนี้ค่ะ you are angry that is called angry ประคันนักมินกระเปียกที่หรออันนี้อาจารย์นี่จน oh Nute you are crying why you are crying dear so I hear you are crying กันตีค่ะ powerful จ้ะ因为前一阵 why you are so sad the I hear you are very sad ค่ะอัตโย behavior ค่ะที่ angry กับที่จน process it ก็พูดบอกว่า you are angry I name it right that's called angry so process it so that means okay so I have angry management control book right then I show the picture your angry level tell me 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 which is your anger level number 7 number 8 number 9ข้าก็บอกกันดีอ่ะอัตราค่ะ N this one number 9ค่ะทาง oh that means you are super angry that means อีกทีนึงตกอันนี้ค่ะก็ process ที่เรา just release it okay tell me now why เอ็งฟังกันในประกวดอีกครั้งอีกทีอีกทีนึงเลยตกอีกครั้งนี้โอ้ทีวีข้าเกมาเอ็นคนอันนี้ก็อูข้า remove control มีลักษณะโอ้อีอูข้าเอ็ดเต remove control take away อ๋อข้าวังนี่ต่อ angry right oh I understand okay it's your turn to watch TV okay กันเดียกันลาเอ็งไงกันดิกัน release right okay อันนั้นปังไล่กันจนกลุ่มง่ากลุ่มหมุกเตียงจะ effective กันละ okay come on อีกทีนึงนัก trash can พ่อค่ะanger ค่ะเทนดังอินปังอาตาrightจะนับละโอเคanger กันละวันก็ไปสักเสียอดีกันวะก็จะนับปังunder 4 level โอเค under 5ก็จะเทมาเสียกลุ่มง่าจุงก็จะคัดที่คัดเทตัวละอันนี้ค่ะกัน release อะไรโอเคอีทินอุรสุก็ที่เทแล้ว right มาเสียประเดี๋ยวอีทินอุรหัวหน้าค่ะ remote control ค่ะรันสุ right บ่มสุอีน่าก็ที่เห็นที่สุอีเก๋ค่ะที่เห็นที่สุค่ะก็จะเตรียมเลยทินริมด่านค่ะก็เราจะเตรียมมีสิ่งจู กันทิ้งรึมั้งรู้มั้ยมาสิกันทิ้งรึมหัวนะกันอมดานตัวข้าจะเตียข้ากุมงาเวลข้า you're very angry now ข้าก็ process go to your room go right there your room stay there for 3 minutes and calm down there then come back ข้าa space ข้าส่วนสัก right space กันทิ้งรึมนะหัวนะกันอมแรงจนข้าทิ้งรึมนะข้าอะไรเทเลาจอจะอับมุนมาก space matter ก็ส่วนสักเดียวจอเส้นที่เขาคันสมาข้ากันนี่จะ cool down น้ำมันกันเนี่ยข้า principal office กันเนี่ย cool down น้ำมันกันเนี่ยข้า room เตะอันนี้ข้าอันทิ้งรึมเวเลยข้า peace center cool down ข้าอันนี้ก็อันนี้นะข้า cool down peace center อันนี้อันลุเวเลยอันทิ้งรึมนะจะ10 to 5อันละริมค่ะไซโคก็ครับพี่โอเคค่ะอีน่าพอนี่สักไงโอเคคุณรู้ในยังไง right process ก็ได้ release โอเคค่ะการ release ยังไง so emotions are not behavior emotions are under the behavior ค่ะการ behave ค่ะให้ค่ะนี่ค่ะที่เราที่น่าอัตลักษณ์ค่ะโอเคให้การ behavior นี่ให้ค่ะ emotion นี่so emotion และ behavior ค่ะอินอังเราอัน emotion ค่ะกันดีภาษาง่าย emotion okay now ค่ะ separate emotion from behavior emotions are not behavior and emotions are under the behavior and the root of the behavior root feeling ไปหมดเลย emotional safety ตันปะอีก classroom management อะค่ะ physical safety จุดนี่เราเป็น emotional safety ปะค่ะปะยังบอกกัดเทียนเต้นมินบูลลี่ปลังติดเรานะค่ะปะค่ะ emotional safety อันนี้เราค่ะ emotional safety เราน้ำผู้น่ะค่ะ is it ที่เราแต่ค่ะอันพวกค่ะลุเทเราso emotional safety เฮ้ยมั้งน้าปังจิตที่น่าเห็น classroom เฮ้ยมั้งมา so make sure they feel good in your classroom they feel good in your classroom I feel good น้ำมันน่ะอิทุสอยค่ะอันเรียกว่าอลุดบีemotional safety เราทำว่าอิสอยค่ะเองเราก็ทำมาเสร็จละส่วนทาง memory จะว่าอลุดอัน memory ตัดอลุดเทเราอันไงตัวนั้นตัดอลุดเทเราอีไงตัวไงอี classroom ค่ะนังมาค่ะ student ค่ะเรานี่ละ right put yourself in their shoes will you enjoy your own classroom every Sunday อี classroom ก็ตัวค่ะอีพูดอะไรนังมาค่ะน่าปังค่ะเรานี่ละถึงการที่สมัครมวนเตะคลาสก็เดี๋ยวก็พูดแล้วexcited อะไรอย่างเงี้ย right would you say like that ค่ะ put yourself think about it so Bible memory verse and the story tell put here it doesn't have to be a boring class it can be enjoyable like the public schools right public school ก็ดูจะอันพูดแล้วแต่เห็นที่ Sunday school ก็อีกตัวอันพูดเทคอล right we have to think about it as Sunday school teachers okay so we recognize child emotion right we can help them express their feeling in a good manners okay let's read together be willing to
perceive children misbehavior as a communication or call for help.
Yep. So identify the hidden message behind the behaviors. Cause. So tunjo, right? Cause, right? Undue attention. Control nu la pa control let to parent poor parenting ponite. Wounded. Riru ma. Bullying, abuse bang ponite. Criticize เรื่องน้าผมตลอด learning disability เนี่ยกัน criticize เลยไว้อีเทียงจีโล criticize ค่ะขัดยังค่ะ learning disability อันไงตัวนะคะลงอินอันต่างกันทีนะค่ะ criticize โอเคการนี่แหละ belief and feeling behavior solution ค่ะ unbelief ตัว จน unfeeling behavior and การ solution นั่นตัวค่ะประคันนะคะค่ะ unbelief ค่ะจะ I'm not involved right ค่ะ activity sa atil ve ngai lo shine kit ani zak amang atia ida ve ra ani a zak thela to kolom itia presentation apo atil ve ngai lo activity apo right tel na chan amu ve ngai lo kha nau pangkha kha John a feeling ha engam to I'm not important ka feeling ita I'm not important so a behavior ka engam de ka ke midang tin orton atianga keep others busy kha tiang nau pang ani John a solution kha ani ta John engam adi pa get me involved notice me kha atan solution ani apa ni na jo ka nu le pa ina control le tuk na pang right choice pek ngai lo nu le pa hian decision po an siam sak veka nu le pa control le tuk na pang ani ka ge jo power ka nei lo right I have no control ka thinking a feeling ka I am threatened and I am defeated kaka the feeling katang feeling an nei jon a behavior ka jo fighting nilaw le revenge kaka an behavior ani katyang behavior atan solution jo give me choices right give me choices punishment consequence ka pepo and choice til pakat if we ask them to do something let's give them a choices choice number 1 or number 2 you want to study first or take shower first I don't care which one you do right take shower but as long as you do both but I give them a choice which one showers or do your homework right kind of choice okay then believe okay do my min do low right feeling it hurts then what happened bullying other people solution to listen to me and validate the child's hurt feeling validate continue to ati apat kan build a feeling can reject low okay oh you are so sad oh a feeling oh you are crying right validating the feeling okay believe I'm unable so I'm not good enough right feeling I'm helpless they never try avoid trying no improvement and the solution to stop all the criticism show faith in the child's ability kaka solution ani le practical kan kalanga tunjo I classroom behavior talo imu teka lo ngai tua la amin ju lo ziak du su student A B tin lo ziak mai nga enge a problem mo chon kha problem kha a cause enge ani ang ingai da poor parenting nge ani ang ni lo le psychological nge ani ang ni lo le environmental problem nge ani ang tika ilo ngai to anga apathum na solution ka he pali atangin pakhat khat cho aniang ka solution okay activities ko active pathum notice me give me a choice validate my feeling which one okay take about 2 minutes group individual ngai individual timai ngo I classroom now pang classroom now pang zir tier 2 in lo chuan in now pang khiat pakhat khat mo in now pang po ni thei case study kha lo ngai to la a behavior kha behavior problem kha what would be the hidden message or the cause behind the behaviors kha I lo zong nga isn't zo huna a cause ka oh right en wang nga ni kha teng now pang kha te oh a cause pali kha mi chena kan se kha chon solution pali tang phat okay take about 2 minutes 1 2 3 go think about real challenge you had with your student what did children do I think ma atap nge what did he do? Fight with other people? Late? Number 3, how did you react? How did you react? Number 3. Yeah. Number 4, what happened next? In reaction, what happened? What's the next? Did you solve the problem? Okay. Try to answer this one here. Practical. One more minute. $45. $40. $35. $30. $25. $20. $15. $10. $7. $5. $4. $3. $2. $1. Time's up. Class. Okay, tunjo sama zazai kan som lenga sama cha iti zongzong no minute pani chungvel inot kha impanga Mizo tongin summarize le in ke nangma ni tan athang iti mo tlema zong rit fiana min lo ni sak le do thengem mit thebe okay afternoon class ta zongzong come on after lunch mi ka repeat point mi lo yeah take your time yeah
tu na kan zira khan apathian thu viang katia en lo kan repeat misbehavior le behavior in an lo na kha before lunch ma po hang kan lo zir na sa to a chan tu na po khanin kan repeat kha in ang lo misbehavior hetia no pang thoi lo pa ngai me chu a control thai kan zir tir da na zirin chuan behavior ti kha chu kha kan soi to ang khan an ma ni a chian lo na a oma wanga ni a kha chu I punish til I punish va pek thei po kha an ni lawa ma se engtin nge ka pui thayang hetia om na chan hi tia ke ni kha chan a chan pui tu me kan ni ti kha an ya chuanin อันริรู้ว่าจังโจกะโอมันเนี่ยจุปะเทียนถูดูตัวกับ Bible verse ค่ะกับเราเอ็นRoman 12:2อ่ะคันิน renewing of your mind อินริรู้แต่อัฐารินเราดังลำโจกรู้มินเดียจุบางตัวนี้กัน behavior ดังลำตัวเฮียนกันดานดังลำตัวเฮียนกันริรู้ฮีอดังลำมาสักง่ายจุค่ะค่ะอภัยโมกติอาเจอติร์ตูเตโปให้กัน behavior ค่ะอดีกรังบิดโดนแล้วว่าตาคันกันริรู้ค่ะกันตีทาระกันตีดังลำคันเราปังเตปนเกยมันอยากคันเจอดูแลมูตัวคันในเวตัวนี้ที่การันไฮไลท์ด้วยจันนินชากติปะเทียนถูกติจู behavior is not a person ดีค่ะกันดานฮีกัน reaction เตกันดานกันเจ็ดดานฮีกันหนีนะอันนี้เราดีค่ะค่ะปะเทียนถูกตัวกันอาจารย์จูกระจงใจต่ำจวนปะเทียนมินปะเทียนกระจงหลงเบี้ยวตัวละก็อินง่ายกระจงใจทัดเชื่อเลยไบเบิลก็เชื่อต่ำเราจนเล่นไปให้กระจงหลงเราตัวเรื่องก็อินง่ายเองวางก็ behavior ก็เจ็ดเสียก็อินหาวางมาใช่ค่ะกันหนีนะเนี่ยเรากันหนีนะจูปะเทียนฟ้ากันหนีตัวจนเล่นไปมินบางไงเร่ง no matter what จูบางจวนนี้กัน behavior กันเจ็ดด่านที่กันหนีนะอันนี้เราโม่ behavior is not a person จูบางจวนนี้no ปังเตโปno ปังสวลันเราดีค่ะ no ปังสวลันเราว่ามาเส no ปังชัดูเราค่ะอันก็มันดีจูบางจวน no ปังที่ตัวมาชาเราเราว่าอันชาเวก็มาเสอันชาเราไม่เนี่ยค่ะการันไฮไลท์ดูพวกJohnny, behavioral problem here, something a student is struggling with. Johnny, behavior is not a person. Focus on problems rather than behavior. An mani abuay na ka kan focus zo ka nga ama an mishinga nilaukan abuay na ka kan focus zo ka nga katikanin zirtir to the point can help pay don ni tika karon englo ni mero so overall chuan tuna kan zirhi it's a Bible base Bible to chan takin ani pathian thua alang veka chuwang chuan kan opening a khan lo kan lo nga thu fing te bungli kha kan chera fin na hi nei ro in a zong in get wisdom get it inside ati chuwang chuan nim pathian a fin na po hi he pathian na ahman mi ten miron shi chuwang chuan vo in ya kan zir lai hi it's all Bible based ti kha kan say
Thank you Sama give her a big hand thank you all rightนี่แหละhey question ปลีฮีตัวไง share ดู anyone want to share okay volunteer ปะคะดิน come on
a diagnosis อะค่ะกันเนี่ยแค่ไหนdo we have to have the underlying cause
yeah at least one cause what you think would be that cause of that behavior okay
I'll volunteer
okay please go ahead Sama yeah
okay so I don't have a problem with
okay
most of my kids are
okay.
amazing. I have 10 people in my class, and I'm
okay.
and they all love to participate.
Okay.
And participate. They'll raise their hands and they want to talk. They want to interact. But there is one person in my class who is very shut down, and they don't want to participate.
So what did he did mean not participating?
In Q&A.
Q&A. Okay.
When we
okay.
talk about our lesson.
So it's like unmotivated student.
Yeah, they're not motivated. So,
yeah. So one person, right?
Yeah,
okay.
Okay. One person. And so so that's the challenge.
Okay. So what would be the cause, according to your opinions?
So the cause, I don't know their family background.
Yeah.
So I think it might be biophysical factor or behavioral, social factor. Maybe poor parenting. I'm not sure.
Okay. Okay.
Because I don't interact with the parents enough.
Okay.
And then how I react was I gave her choices.
Okay.
I gave her choices, and even with the choices, the person still didn't want to participate. Just don't want to talk at all. After a few options of the choices, I tried option, and then finally she said something. And then, okay, good dad. It was my first interaction.
Okay.
So that was that. So I think that the misbehavior is her saying I'm unable assume inadequacy, and then maybe she's feeling helpless. I'm not really sure. And
okay. So our solution, give her choices.
Yeah.
Okay.
But see, to them, a belief in. I think I'm a little bit confused because I still need to. I'm still new, so I still need to spend more time with her to understand.
Okay. Did you talk to her?
I did.
Okay.
Yeah.
Anh tiếng I participate do low. Anh I participate take na tan I do take na tan anh tiếng nghe kan Thiang. Is on ngay
I
em.
did not do that.
Okay. Lâu rồi chín tiêu ama rồi cả. Khi thành hiện về các dịch tiêu tối khán giả observe that you know khi Thian đang I participate tục lâu in cầm hụt chứ. He participated cái đủ thế. More I participate take na tan as a teacher. Anh tiếng nghe cái Thiang. More các khán lâu chín tiêu more ama cả. Okay.
Imo, so an ka question book to and lo and parents din hiyang kanin shitang lo ta. So I remember you talked about consulting with the department lead or the pastor. What if game money did directly up and nulen pate and personality lo ka apoy lo apoy achalawiti tro.
No, katu bad report ani consequence compared to na katu problem solution. I problem ka misbehave ani lao problem solution ani problem solution ta chon parents nen kha we kan ti ho angai mo you need parent support
mo it's okay to ask what their personality
exactly but behavior problem so last solution kan nu le pa kha report kan pe if anu om ta du kha ti phone khan chunga khan okay phone a khe zia khatang ka so misbehave ani ka so last option. So through parents, massive behavior problems. You know, we have to work together with parents. Abba ka in such member ani ve chuan in componate as a teacher you have to introduce first. Parent ni ka an introduce masalawang che. Mo teacher ni ka you have to take initiative and take pari to the syama kaniya. Mo than hi ve ka zir tir to pare kha kadang ne eng tin ka ti chuan ke a motivate the wang mo ti khan anu la pa kha nang ma kha lo introduce masala mo so they go to the same church or different church the pair okay that's good all right very good okay after break I can better don't ya okay are you sleepy? Dikha, milo pui the middle dong ka. Are you sleepy? Ti mi ha.
In mood talk em.
Oh, in mood talk em. Ti la. So mood talk la we ka cha. Okay. In mood talk em. Talk la we. So are you tired? Ti mi ka in sa.
In heart to em.
Oh, in heart to em. Okay.
In heart to em.
Ti ka sa yang. In heart to em. Kan heart to ti mai lo ka so. Kan heart to. Okay, man dikha. Then let's take a break. Okay. Then let's take a Mizo.
Let's take a break. Itol to ang
No, kasi ani le kan chol to ang. Okay. So what's the number? In number pat na ka? Okay. In mood chua game. In heart to em. Nile kan chol to ang. Okay, no, one more time. Okay, come on, record. Okay. 1, 2, 3. 2026. Mizo Methodist Church CE training level 2. So they have been sitting for maybe 5 hours, right? Now let me ask them some questions. In hato in no. Okay. In mood talk In hato In hato chuan kan chol to ang. Class. Yes. Break. Class. Very good. Go and have 30-minute break. Coffee break. Thank you guys. I'll see you 3:30. Okay. Dar tum le achan ve kan chan le don ya. Have a good break. Have some coffee.